morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahan. Today we will study chapter 13, pronouns exercise E. So pay attention and understand it carefully. Okay, dear students, exercise E. Sanchit wants to open an account in a bank. Here is a conversation, okay, between him and the bank manager. Miss Roy, fill in the blanks with the correct interrogative and possessive pronouns. Okay, dear students, we should fill in the blanks with the correct interrogative and possessive pronouns. Okay, so let's start and read the exercise. Okay, Miss Roy, blank is your name. Dear students, his name here will be what? What is your name? Okay, now Sanchit says, my name is Sanchit. Okay, now Miss Roy what said? All right, Sanchit, I am putting my signature here. Can you put blank here? Here will be possessive pronouns yours. What? Yours. Can you put yours here? Understood? Now Sanchit, shall I put on this dotted line? Okay, so here will be mine. M-I-N-E, mine. Okay, you can write here mine. M-I-N-E, mine. Okay. Now Miss Roy said, yes, thank you. Blank locality do you live in? Okay. Here I can which locality? Okay, W-H-I-C-H. Which locality do you live in? Sanchit said, I live in South Delhi with my family. Blank is a joint family. Here will be which is a, okay, joint family. Miss Roy said, blank all live with you. Here will be who. Who all live with you. Okay, Sanchit said, my parents, my grandparents and my uncle live with me. Okay, here will be, and Miss Roy said, blank account is already registered with us. Is it your father's or your uncle's? Here will be whose account. W-H-O-S-E, whose. Whose account is already registered with us. Okay. Now Sanchit said, My father has an account here. Blank is a joint account with my mother. Here will be my father whom is a joint account with my mother. Okay, here will be whom, whom, whom. Okay, whom is a joint account. Now see another page. Okay, to see the exercise, let's go to another page. Miss Roy said, one last question. Blank time, can you come tomorrow? I will have all of your papers ready. Here will be what time. WHAT, what. Okay, what time can you come tomorrow? I will have all of your papers ready. Okay, now you see what Sanchit said. I can come anytime. I will be free tomorrow. Blank about you. Will you be on duty? Here will be what, WHAT, what about you. Okay, you will be on duty. Miss Roy said, okay, yes, I will be in office. Please come at 3 p.m. Thank you for choosing our bank. Dear students, these are the conversations between Sanchit and Miss Roy. Okay, you should complete this exercise. Now we see summary of this chapter. Okay, in these chapters we have learnt about possessive pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Okay, mine, our, yours, his, hers, its and theirs are called possessive pronouns. Okay, and possessive pronouns can stand in the place of a possessive noun. Okay, and another thing is who, which, whom, what and whose are called interrogative pronouns. Okay, because they are used in questions, interrogative sentences. Who, whose and whom are used to refer to persons. Which is used to refer to persons and things, indicates a choice. Okay, what is used to refer to a profession, things, preferences, ideas or odds. Okay, dear students, I have explained you very well the exercise of this chapter. Okay, if you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.